Step into the age of dinosaurs. The Spretosaurus, also known as Canadian T-Rex. Do you know that Canada has one of the most best fossil records of horned dinosaurs in the world? Canadian Museum of Nature has more than 15 million specimens in it. Isn't that amazing? This is Styracosaurus, a horned dinosaur that lived 73 million years ago. Not all fossils are bones. Skin, footprints, and droppings are the other evidence what get left behind by dinosaurs. And these give paleontologists information about the dinosaur lifestyle. This is Elasmosaurus. Look at that long neck. Scientists thought it had to be its tail. Parasaurolophus talk to each other by using their heads. Meet the Edmontosaurus. These duck-billed dinosaurs were plant eaters. Oh, look at this cutie hatching. Then we entered the most exciting place ever. The moment we entered, it felt like all the dinosaurs were awake around us. They looked so realistic. Look at that beak. Let me put my hand inside its mouth. Look at this feathery princess. We learned about dinosaurs and even watched the movie.
Continues in Islands of Sanctuary. It is an interesting time for life on Earth. Birds have risen to conquer the air, and small mammals are a common sight.
Welcome to Water Gallery, where everything you see lives in water. Giant blue whale, but actually it's a baby. Different species of crabs. Poor lobster with the barnacles on it. We even learned about alien-looking sea stars and different species of fish. A weird-looking monkfish. Look at this sleeping cutie. And look at these amazing eggs from the water birds. Oh, it even got a cute chick inside it. These are jellyfish and this is plastic. You better be careful or you will have a painful stay. Garbage thrown by humans pollute the ocean and kill the aquatic life. Do you know that Canada has two national animals, Canadian beaver and Canadian moose? Look at the size of that guy. We saw a lot of animals in all kinds of shapes and sizes. And deadliest of all the bears, the polar bear. Look at these interesting caribous, also known as reindeer. Do you know that Canadian Museum of Nature has 1,25,000 bird specimens in it? Blue jay is the national bird of Canada. And in the end, we saw a lot of cool bugs and then I fell in love with bugs. I hope you learned a lot from this video. I'm Muhammad Saleh, a mini scientist ready to explore.